Hey there, my peeps. Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. I am really excited today. I want to show you the Adobe Firefly text-to-image feature. This feature is so good. Let's go on and get started. We're going to begin by clicking on the Creative Cloud icon here, and then click on the Adobe Firefly icon. Once it opens up in the web browser, you're going to come right here to text-to-image. And then you will see an array of different creations. When you hover over in the left corner, you'll see the actual prompts that were used to create each of these beautiful creations. We're going to type in our own prompt by coming right here. So we're going to type in white peacock facing camera with feathers spread. And we're going to come here and generate. Okay, and this is what we got. Wow, quite interesting. Whoa, up close and personal. Okay, and then when you look over here on the right side, you will see the properties panel, and you'll see that we're in Firefly Image 2. It is the beta version. So now we're going to see what will happen if we begin to stylize this. We're going to change this to landscape. And yes, we do want photo. And here you can change the intensity. So we'll just boost it up some, and the strength. And then we're going to come here. Let's try the hyper realistic. And then we're going to come to the color tone. Let's make it warm. And then the lighting you can change. And we will make it surreal lighting. And the composition, we can make it macro photography. Let's try this one. And then down here, this is a wonderful new feature also. And you can actually change the aperture and the shutter speed. This is like a camera. Let's go down to maybe 100 millimeters lens, and we'll open it up a little wider. And let's generate. And you'll usually see all of your styles loaded right in here with your prompt. Wow, it really warmed it up, didn't it? Let's see. These are very, very interesting. Okay, and that's your peacock. And let's try a human. And let's see, let's say businessman, man wearing blue suit with pink tie. And that's the wonderful thing also, is as you're typing out your prompt, Firefly will begin to create suggestions that you can use. I'm going to come over here and do my stylizing, and we're going to take the intensity down. We'll do bokeh, and we're going to make this vibrant colors. And let's see with the composition, we're going to just do close-up photography, and we'll open a little wider, and we'll keep that 100 millimeter lens, which is a great lens, and generate. Okay, these are that came out really nice. That one too. Wow, these look really nice. So what if you had your own style that you wanted to add to, like these images here, and you had a certain tone, a certain color, a certain look that you wanted to add? Let's see what happens. I'm going to go and pull a file and see what happens. And this is an image that is totally different from this, but I'm going to see if I use this as my style, what will happen. Let's generate. So as you can see, it took the tone and the feel and the style from the image that I brought in, but it still kept that futuristic kind of look. But I just wanted you to see that this is an option that you can use your own image as the style as opposed to choosing from the options that are on the right side. I hope that this video has been informative for you, and this will be a tool that you will consider using in the future once it's released. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.